so our teacher dogs and student dogs are already inside their classroom. Nakapag-flag raising ceremony na rin po tayo, which could only mean that our class is about to start. Mabuhay ug madayaw, my name is Trisha. I am one of your hosts, and I'm very excited to be with all of you today in this 45-minute nature and culture discovery experience. Now, I can see there are actually a lot of students in the audience. Tama po ba ako? Marami ba tayong mga estudyante ngayon? Can you please raise your hand para makita ko? Sino dito yung mga estudyante natin? Ayan, ang dami nga natin mga estudyante. At kahit mga hindi estudyante, nagtaas rin ata ng kamay. But no worries with that, because for today, we are all gonna learn a lot about our nature, a lot about our culture, a lot about birds, and at the end of the show, hopefully a lot about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. And what better way to learn about nature and culture is to learn them from our teacher birds themselves, diba? Now, I would like to stress out that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back to the wild. Why? First is because some of them are not endemic here in the Philippines. That means, hindi po sila dito sa Pilipinas nakatira. If we release them back to the wild, they may not be able to survive at all. Second, some of these birds were left injured due to the injuries that they've got before they were donated to us. That is why we do this activity time, this playtime, to entertain our birds and to teach you, our guests, the importance of environmental and cultural awareness. So I'd like to ask, students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to learn this morning? Naku, parang hindi pa. Parang walang breakfast yung iba. Let's try that one more time with energy. Students of the Malagos Bird School, are you ready to learn this morning? Ayan, that's the energy I've been looking for. And for this morning, we will start with GMRC, or Good Manners and Right Conduct. So I have over here the star teacher of the Malagos Bird School, an African gray parrot. Now, did you know African gray parrots are considered to be the smartest in the parrot family? And in fact, according to many studies, they have the capacity to think like a 3-year-old child. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin kung gaano ba katalino si star teacher ni Malagos. So, star teacher of the Malagos Bird School, can you greet your students over here the Malagos way of greeting? Ayun. Ano lang po yung sabi niya? It's madayaw, because here in Malagos Garden Resort, we always greet our guests with mabuhay o madayaw. Now, parang may nakalimutan ka ata. You forgot to introduce yourself. So can you tell your students over here, what's your name? Lola. Ano daw po yung pangalan niya? Any guesses? Snorlax, hindi po? Lola, hindi rin po? Lala, hindi rin po Lala. So let's try that one more time. Everybody, let us all listen carefully. What's your name again? Lola. Ano daw po yun? Lola, hindi po Lola? Mona, hindi rin po? Noah, hindi rin po Noah. Ana, hindi rin po. So allow me to introduce our star teacher this morning. This is actually Donald, our African gray parrot. Nako, pasensya na po kayo. British accent kasi talaga yung mga ibon namin dito sa Malagos. Just kidding aside. So Donald over here already welcomed you the Malagos way and already introduced himself. So now it's your time to greet Donald. So can everybody please say, good morning, Donald!